Hi guys, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Me Plus My Daily Routine app. We go to settings. Here you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. Then you will search about Me Plus My Daily Routine. After that you can click on first stop and you can click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then you can click on clear cache. In the end, you can turn off your phone and you can wait a moment to turn on your phone again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.